New SUVs are on the horizon. One of those is the 2024 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio crossover SUV are taking over the world. They are by far one of the most popular categories of vehicles. This is due to several reasons. One of those is their versatility. They can perform at a high level while still being able to act as a family car. They come with good styling and design, so you will not be disappointed if you choose to drive an SUV. Interior. The brand new 2024 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio is a thing of beauty, both inside and outside. The interior of the Stelvio QF has a few design problems. However, the element includes high-quality leather and have contrast stitching. This is a vast improvement over the components used in the Stelvio regular. Engine. The mic piece under the hood produced 505 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. This engine comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which is not usual on sporty vehicles. It has a pedal shift as well, which is a big plus of improves the safety aspect of the vehicle. 2024 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio price and release date. The fresh 2024 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio will reportedly hit the road later in 2023. This is just in time when most manufacturers announce their creations. There are not many trims for this SUV. It has a basic trim which costs around $87,000 and it is well worth the money.